Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will read the essay A Hockey Match. This essay is for class 6 to class 10. Let's start. Hockey is a popular game in Pakistan and India. It is the national game of Pakistan. Playing it regularly benefits us in many ways. It helps in improving the body stamina. I also play many games, but hockey is my favorite game. Last Sunday, our hockey team played a match against Model High School. It was very interesting match. It was played in the National Stadium. A large number of spectators had gathered there. The teacher of both schools also came there. The match started at 9 a.m. In the beginning, the match was boring and dull. During first half, no team could score a goal. Our team earned 4 penalty corners, but to no avail. In the very beginning of the second half, the opposite team scored a goal. Now, our team was making furious attacks to equalize the score. At last, it succeeded in scoring a goal with a lucky scoop in the D. Now, both the teams were equal. Hence, the match became offensive and defensive. Both the teams were trying their best to win the match by scoring only one goal. At last, it was done by our team. In the meantime, the referee blew the whistle and declared the end of the match. Our team had won it with one goal. We were very happy. I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.